Hello my dear students, good morning. Welcome back to our maths class. In the last class, we learned subtraction of a 2-digit number and a 3-digit number from a 3-digit number without borrowing. Today we are going to discuss subtraction of a 2-digit number from a 3-digit number with borrowing. So, all of you listen carefully. First we are going to discuss subtraction of a 2-digit number from a 2-digit number with borrowing. Here the 2-digit numbers are 53 minus 26. Okay, 53 minus 26. All of you remember, when we subtract the numbers, you can write the numbers one below the another on the basis of their place value. Okay, first you write the bigger number and write the smaller number below the bigger number. Here 53 is the bigger number and 26 is the smaller number. So we can write 26 below the bigger number. Okay, 53 minus 26. All of you look at the number 53. Yes, here 53 has 5 tens and 3 ones. 5 tens and 3 ones. And the smaller number is 26. 26 that has 2 tens and 6 ones. We cannot subtract 6 from 3. Okay, in the ones place the numbers are 3 and 6. We cannot subtract. 6 is a bigger number, 3 is a smaller number. So we cannot subtract the bigger number from a smaller number. So we need to borrow 1 10 into 10 ones. 1 10 that is equal to 10 ones. Now we have 13 ones. Now we have 13 ones. We borrow 1 10 into 10 ones. So we have 13 ones. We cross out the 3 and write 13 as a new ones. We cross out the 3 and write 13 as a new ones. Now we have only 4 tens. In the tens place we have only 4 tens. So we cross out the 5 and write 4 on the top. We cross out the 5 and write 4 on the top. Okay. Then next we are going to subtract the numbers at the ones place. Okay, 13 minus 6. All of you take 6 fingers and subtract 13 minus 6, that is equal to 7. We can subtract 6 numbers backward, so we get 7. Then in the tens place the numbers are 4 minus 2. Okay, 4 tens minus 2 tens, that is equal to 2 tens. So here the answer is 27. 53 minus 26, that is equal to 27. Okay. Here we subtract the numbers with borrowing. Okay. Next we are going to discuss another example. The next two digit numbers are 46 minus 29. Okay, 46 minus 29. Remember, you can write the numbers one below the another on the basis of their place value, and first you write the bigger number, then you write the smaller number below the bigger number. Here 46 is the bigger number and 29 is the smaller number. 46 has 4 tens and 6 ones. Look at the numbers in the ones place. Yes, here we can see in the ones place the digits are 6 and 9. 9 is bigger than 6. So we cannot subtract 9 from 6. So we borrow 1 tens into 10 ones. 1 tens means 10 ones. So now we have 16 ones. Now we have 16 ones. Okay, so we cross out the 6 and write 16 as a new one. We borrow 1 tens from tens column. Now we have 16 ones. Okay, so cross out 6 and write 16 as a new one. Okay, 16 as a new ones. Then in the tens column, we have only 3 tens. In the tens column, we have only 3 tens. So we cross out 4 tens and write 3 on the top. We cross out 4 tens and write 3 on the top. Then you can subtract 16 minus 9. Okay, 16 minus 9, that is equal to 7. You can take 9 fingers and subtract 9 fingers from 16. Okay, you can count backward. 16 minus 9, that is equal to 7. And in the tens column, the numbers are 3 minus 2. 3 tens minus 2 tens, that is equal to 1 tens. So the answer is 17. Okay, 46 minus 29, that is equal to 17. Okay, next we are going to discuss another example. Here the numbers are 64 minus 38. 64 minus 38. Okay, in the ones column the digits are 4 and 8. 8 is greater than 4. So we cannot subtract 8 from 4. So we borrow 1 tens from tens column. Okay, so we get 14 ones. We borrow 1 tens from tens column. So we have 14 ones. So we cross out the 4 ones and write 14 as a new ones. Okay, then now we have only 5 tens. So we cross out the 6 and write 5 on the top. Cross out the 6 and write 5 on the top. Then now we are going to subtract 14 minus 8. Okay, all of you take 8 fingers and count backward. 14 minus 8, that is equal to 6. Then 5 minus 3, that is equal to 2. 5 tens minus 3 tens, that is equal to 2 tens. So the answer is 26. Okay. Now we are going to discuss subtraction of a 2-digit number from a 3-digit number with borrowing. So dear students, all of you take your textbook and open page number 129. Okay, here we are going to discuss subtraction of a 2-digit number from a 3-digit number with borrowing. Here you can see one example. Subtract 37 from 385. Subtract 37 from 385. All of you look at the number. Yes, 37 is a 2-digit number and 385 is a 3-digit number. Which one is the bigger number? Yes, 385 is the bigger number and 37 is the smaller number. You remember when we subtract a 2-digit number from a 3-digit number, first you write the 3-digit number on the basis of their place value. Then you write the 2-digit number below the bigger number. Okay, here 385 minus 37. Okay, all of you look at the numbers at the ones place. Yes, at the ones place the digits 5 and 7. And at the tens place the digits 8 and 3. And in the hundreds place the digit 3. Here 7 is greater than 5. At the ones place 7 is greater than 5. We cannot subtract 7 from 5. So we borrow 1 tens from tens place. We borrow 1 tens from tens column. Okay, 1 tens from tens place. So we have 15 ones. Okay, now we have 15 ones. We cross out 5 ones and write 15 as a new ones. Okay, then here we have in the tens place we have 7 tens. Okay, in the tens column we have 7 tens. So we cross out 8 tens and write 7 on the top. 8 minus 1, that is equal to 7. 7 tens on the top. Then you subtract the numbers at the ones place. 15 minus 7. You can take 7 fingers and count backward. Okay, 15 minus 7. Before 15 the digit 14. Before 14 the digit 13. Before 13 the digit 12. Before 12 the digit 11. And before 11 the digit 10. Before 10 the digit 9. Before 9 the digit 8. Okay, 15 minus 7, that is equal to 8. Okay, then in the tens place the digits 7 minus 3. Take 3 fingers and subtract 3 fingers from 7. Before 7 the digit 6. Before 6 the digit 5. Before 5 the digit 4. So here the answer is 4. Then in the hundreds place only one digit. Okay, 3. 3 minus 0, that is equal to 3. So the answer is 348. 348. 385 minus 37, that is equal to 348. All of you take next page. Next we are going to discuss subtract 84 from 632. All of you look at the numbers. Here 84 is a 2-digit number and 632 is a 3-digit number. Okay, subtract 84 from 632. Okay, which one is the bigger number here? Yes, 632 is the bigger number. So, remember when we subtract two numbers, first we write the bigger number on the basis of their place value. Then you write the smaller number below the bigger number. So, here 632 minus 84. Then all of you look at the numbers at the place of ones. Yes, at the place of ones the digit 2 and 4. At the place of tens the digit 3 and 8. At the place of 100 the digit 6. First we are going to subtract the digit at the place of ones. Here the numbers are 2 and 4. We all know that 4 is greater than 2. We cannot subtract 4 from 2. So here we borrow 1 tens from tens place. Okay, we borrow 1 tens to tens place. Okay, 1 tens, that is equal to 10 ones. 1 tens, that is equal to 10 ones. So 10 ones plus 2, that is equal to 12 ones. All of you cut the digit 2 and write 12 ones. Okay, then subtract 4 from 12 ones. 12 minus 4. All of you take 4 fingers and subtract by counting backward. Before 12, the number 11. Before 11, the number 10. Before 10, the digit 9. And before 9, the number 8. So, we get 8. At the ones place, the answer is 8. Okay. At the tens place, we have 2 tens. Okay. Cut the digit 3 and write 2 ones. Okay. We have 2 ones. Then the next number is 8. Okay. 2 minus 8. Okay. Here we can see 8 is greater than 2. 8 is greater than 2. We cannot subtract 8 from 2. So, we borrow 100s from hundreds place. 100 from hundreds place. We borrow 100s to tens place. 100, that is equal to 10 tens. 100, that is equal to 10 tens. Okay, so 12 minus 8, that is equal to. Okay, here we borrow 100 from hundreds place. 100, that is equal to 100, that is equal to 10 tens. Therefore, at a tens place, we have 10 tens plus 2 tens, that is equal to 12 tens. Okay, then now subtract 8 from 12 tens. Okay, all of you take 8 fingers and subtract by counting backward. Before 12, the digit 11. Before 11, which number? Yes, before 11, 10. Before 10, 9. Before 9, 8. Before 8, the number 7. Before 7, the number 6. Before 6, the number 5. And before 5, the number 4. So, we get the answer 4. Okay. Then, in the hundreds place, we have 5 hundreds. Okay. Hundreds place, we have 5 hundreds. Since there is nothing to subtract in hundreds place. Okay. Here, nothing means 0. So, 5 minus 0, that is equal to 5. So, here the answer is 548. Okay, 632 minus 84, that is equal to 548. Okay. All of you take next page. Here you can see there are some examples. First we are going to discuss the first one. Okay, here you can see the 3-digit number is 732. 732 minus 84. Okay, the 3-digit number is 732 and the 2-digit number is 84. So, first we write the 3-digit number, that is the bigger number, and then we write the smaller number below the bigger number on the basis of their place value. Okay, then all of you look at the numbers at the place of ones. Yes, at the place of ones, the digit 2 and 4. At the place of tens, the digit 3 and 8. At the place of 100, the digit 7. First, we are going to subtract the digits at the place of ones. Here the numbers are 2 and 4. We know that 4 is greater than 2. 4 is greater than 2. We cannot subtract 4 from 2. So here we borrow 1 tens from tens place. We borrow 1 tens from tens place. Okay, 1 tens that is equal to 10 ones. Remember, 1 tens that is equal to 10 ones. 10 ones plus 2 ones that is equal to 12 ones. So all of you cross number 2 and write 12 ones. Okay, here you write 12 ones. Then subtract 12 ones minus 4 ones. Okay, subtract 12 minus 4. All of you take 4 fingers and subtract by counting backward. Before 12, yes, 11. Before 11, 10. Before 10, 9. Before 9, 8. So here we got 8. Okay, 12 minus 4 that is equal to 8. Then all of you look at the tens place. Yes, here we have 2 tens. Okay, here we have 2 tens. All of you cross the number 3 and write 2 tens. Okay, 2 minus 8. Yes, 8 is greater than 2. So we cannot subtract 8 from 2. So we borrow 1 tens from hundreds place. We borrow 1 hundreds from hundreds place. 100, all of you remember, 100 that is equal to 10 tens. 100 that is equal to 10 tens. Okay, so 10 tens plus 2 tens that is equal to 12 tens. Okay, 1 tens plus 2 tens that is equal to 12 tens. Then subtract 12 minus 8. All of you take 8 fingers and subtract by counting backward. 12 minus 8. Before 12, the digit 11. Before 11, yes, 10. Before 10, 9. Before 9, 8. Before 8, 7. Before 7, 6. Before 6, 5. Before 5, 4. So here the answer is 4. Okay. Then at the hundreds place. Okay, at the hundreds place now we have 6 hundreds. Okay, now we have 6 hundreds because we borrow 1 hundreds from hundreds place. So now we have 600 at hundreds place. Okay, here nothing. Okay, so 6 minus 0 that is equal to 6. So the answer is 648. Here the numbers are 732 minus 84 that is equal to 648. Okay. Now we learned subtraction of a 2-digit number from a 3-digit number with borrowing. Today you have to do the homework I marked here. Other problems will be discussed in the next class. Okay children. All of you study well. See you next class. Thank you.